What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Everything. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Tanzania, Africa. Tanzania, Africa. Or I should say I am back in Tanzania, Africa. Okay? Because a lot of you watch my channel know that, you know, I have been here before. I've been here a couple times before. You know, so you guys know that I frequent Tanzania. And yeah, I love this place. It's awesome. It's beautiful. I mean, it got some of the most beautiful national parks and wild reserves and, you know, beaches. I mean, this place is just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so stay tuned with me and let's go visit Tanzania, Africa again. As I told you before, that the two major means of transportation here is boda boda or bajaji. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a boda boda from behind me and I'm going to head over to Shoppers Mikocheni. All right, stay tuned. What's going on? Yeah? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Everything? What you say? Yeah? Ah, I'll be back. Let me come. Let me come. Circle, circle. Yeah, so I went to Shoppers, did my thing, and went to Shoppers, did my thing, and now I'm heading down here. This is the neighborhood I used to stay in this neighborhood a while back, you know, so I know quite a bit of people here. You know, I have some friends here, you know, from way back, so you know, sometimes I pass through here, and you know what I'm saying, they'll come and wave and talk, and you know, they'll say, hey, you know, buy me a beer, stuff like that, you know. Yeah, this is Africa. But yeah, yeah, we are in Mikocheni. Right, it's Mikocheni. The path I'm taking right now, I can walk from here, and I can matter of fact, I can walk from here to Mississani. Really, it's kind of Mikocheni, Mississani. But this area I can walk and go all the way back around to where I used to, the apartments where I used to stay in on the front, you know. But yeah, this is beautiful Tanzania, man. You know, this is Tanzania for you. This is Tanzanian flavor, you know. Beautiful place, wonderful people, nice, warm, friendly. Everywhere you go, people will tell you caribou, you know, means welcome. And you reply by saying asante, which is thank you. You know, the main language here is Swahili, right? The main language here is Swahili. So if you speak Swahili, you will get by here. You understand? You know, or if you know, a small amount of Swahili, you know, that enough where you can get by, maybe buy you some things or stuff like that. You know, ask the prices for certain things. Direct someone, tell them to go left, to go right, just the basics is good to have. But if not, you'll get by anyway. Yeah, TIA, this is Africa. All right. it's another football game here. Oh, which reminds me, all right, the two major teams here in Tanzania, okay, is Simba and Yanga. All right, Simba and Yanga. There's also another team, Azam. Those are the top major teams here in Tanzania. So if you come in here and you're not gonna cheer for either Simba or Yanga, man, you have to make up your mind. You're gonna have to pick a team. All right. So yeah, I won't tell you which team is mine, but yeah, it's a pretty good team. All right. I think it's one of the leading teams, but I do like that team because I saw the way they play. I enjoy the way they play, and from ever since then, I've always cheered for them. But here in Tanzania, that's it. Simba, Yanga, those two teams for sure. All right.